Baby Zanus is still no match for a Philippine night market. True. Sunlight. I'm listening to Gorillaz right now. The anti-pop playlist on Spotify. Ciao. What is this bright light? What is this? What is that? Dude, it's I read the weather forecast and it says there's fog today. So that's fog, not smog. 今天的天气会起雾。Momentary bliss. I'm a retard. Is he saying I'm a retard? Oh, this is what I was talking about. This, Bailey's strawberries and cream frappe. And there's a strawberry and cream tea, matcha. And then they give you a 50 cc's of Bailey's cream and then you pour it in yourself. 这包好不好喝？ Coffee. Should I get coffee here or shall we go somewhere else? I want a picnic. I 想要野餐，我们去野餐吧。I forgot my picnic mat again. I have 2 picnic mats at home. 家里有2个野餐垫。Dude, rice balls. Balls. That looks good. 我想要去野餐。Alcohol wipes, picnic mat, it's a whatever coffee place, it's okay, it's okay. 韭菜包，野餐的时候要吃什么？哦。 野餐的时候吃什么？是 bagels, onigiri, there's porridge. Steaming. Oh, that looks so good.